Welcome to 12 Del Casa, a sweet street-to-street lot here in the heart of Boyle Park. Let's go inside. Got a nice half bathroom here next to the kitchen with newer appliances. Little breakfast nook. Brand new carpets. On to the living room. Nice fireplace. Spacious views of the Mill Valley Tennis Club. Over here onto the deck. Perfect for your summer barbecues. Sun hits it just right. This could be your dining room. This is considered the master bedroom with a full bath. Walk-in closet. On to the upstairs where there's two more bedrooms. And another full bath. Tons of closet space. Built-in cabinetry. It's a little nook. More closet. Another bedroom. On to the downstairs. We've got a laundry room, some storage, washer dryer, more storage, sink. On into this downstairs, almost like its own studio unit. We've got a full bath. Living room, door to patio, bedroom, and even a kitchen. Stove has been removed, as has the refrigerator, but it can easily be placed to make this another accessible unit.